All right. Hey, everyone. Today, we're going to be coding the Node Red part of the switch that we made. Now, because, what's it now? Because I have two of these switches, and we set up a whole bunch of things the other day with our new Mega Extension Ultra extension cord. We're going to be doing that too. We're going to be setting one switch up with all the lights in the room, and then one switch for basically all that extension cords. So let's get going. So the first one we want to do is, well, I already logged into Node-RED. Oh, wait a second. The first thing I should do is actually see if I have a connection to the nope, configuration. Open a new tab. Devices. Let's just see. Let's make sure that this one is connected. ESP home, switch 2. I think this is switch 2. Nope, that's not switch 2. What the hell? Oh, yeah, no, I did set it up for stuff like that. Is this switch 1? Switch 1? ESP switch 1. Switch 1. Yeah, okay. Wait, wait, am I sure that's the right one? Open link. Switch 2. Open link. Okay, so okay, this one yeah, that one's not even connected right now. All right, so all right. All right, so what I want to do with this is I realized what I want to do with this now. All right, and what we're going to do is we're going to have it set up so we have where's it now? All right. This is so we're going to have buttons 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, I'm going to make this one, button number 1, half on, permanent. Button 2, turn on all the way. Button 3, so it's going to look, ooh, because you're on backwards. Button 1 is going to be half on. Button 2 is going to be full on. Button 3 is going to be all off. Button 4 is going to be press it and hold it, and we're going to increase the lights. And button 5 is going to be press it and decrease the lights. So let's get on that. So, is that what it is? Yep, okay. Let me just kind of clear up everything that we did before that I was like, I don't want to do with this tonight. And I just started experimenting with everything. So we're gonna grab an event? No. Event state. We're gonna label this button 1. And that's fine. Done. Right, that's I should have just copied and pasted this. It should work. We're just gonna do switch here. Boop. And we're going to do we're gonna pull a... Oh, well, first we're gonna deploy this real quick. That's the same thing as saving it. Because I want to get into a range where you guys can see this. So we pulled an event state out. We attached it to a switch, so it's basically telling it when it turns on and off. Or wait, no, when it turns on, send a signal out. And so we are going to fire an event. No, not fire an event. Call a service. That's what I was doing. Pull that pretty close, and we're gonna call turn on all lights. Oh no, turn on button 1 is gonna be... Let's do just turn on. Let's change this to button 2. This is gonna be a light. It's gonna be toggle on. It's gonna be the bedroom. Oh no, wait, no. We're not gonna put a thing there. We're just gonna put dresser, grandpa's lamp, and lamp. So we have all of our devices there. And we're just gonna do that. Done. We're gonna deploy that real quick. Oh, I forgot to set the entity. That's why we have... Oop, nope. That's why we have this guy up. Because I need to know... I basically need to copy each one of these, the name of them, so that way I can get it to send it to the right button. Now if I press button 1... Oh, okay, so wait. Turn all my lights off. This one should turn everything on. Okay, so it looks like we got that on. It is working because it is changing state. You can see it change state right here. What's going on here? Current state equals previous state. Current state equals previous state. There's nothing on this. Oh, wait. There's... Oh. Yeah, okay. So if it's equal to on. Duh, I forgot to set the switch to on. Okay. And then it takes a second for it to load. And there we go. Okay, so we got turn on. But I didn't want to turn on with button 1. Button 1 was supposed to be half on. So let's make a copy of this. This is supposed to be button 2's job. Switch 1, button 2. That probably is the right one. Button 2. Yep, done. And that's fine. Turn everything on. Yeah, nope. We're good with that. And we're also going to copy it and paste it again. Instead, we're going to make button 3 a thing. Done. Oop. Meh. That actually might be in the way. I'm going to throw this over here and try and shrink it a bit. Because all it says is node red over there. Deploy that. Alright, so... Okay, so what was I doing? Yeah, no, okay, so I was changing this to number 3. Button 3, done. Oh, and I wanted to change... Turn off all lights. And we have to toggle this to off. And we're going to use the same things. We're done there. We're going to deploy this. Okay, so... If I press this, everything should go... Well, okay. So let's start with button number 3. Everything off. Okay. Button 2. Everything on. Okay. Now, I need to turn this to turn on halfway all lights. So it's going to turn on. And then we're going to use this thing right here. Copy. We're going to use brightness underscore PCT. This is going to indicate in percentages how the maximum brightness is. So we're going to go in here. We're going to start a code. We're going to do this. We're going to put it in parentheses, and then we're going to put it at, what, 50? And then to end each line, you need to... oh, no, you don't need to have a comma. There's a comma if there's more stuff, but I think we're just doing this for right now. Done. Done. Deploy. Oh, it's got a... oh, that just like... okay. Oh, this doesn't turn it on all the way. Shit. Also, the fact that, I didn't like it too much. I wanted to step it down, like, slowly. So, we want to change the transition color. Oh, there it is. Alright, so we're also going to add that. Oh, wait, no. We need to go into here. Now, if I wanted to add another one, I have to add a comma there. We can do transition. And this is going to be 20, I think. Okay, and then we're just going to turn it off. And then halfway. That's taking way too long. You can see it's getting a little brighter, but it's not like it was. Nope, that's way too long. Let's try one. Let's see how fast we can get it. Deploy. Let's go. Well, it's okay. Turn everything off. And then... there we go. We got a little more subtle. Okay, so that's off. That's a little more subtle. On. And I like that. Alright, so we're going to keep it with that. Actually, wait. Let me just get in here. We're going to copy this. And since... okay, so now we got to put number 2 as going to be brightness. It's going to be 100% brightness right here. Done. Done. Deploy. And we're going to turn it on all the way. Hey, there we go. Alright. Now button 4. So I'm just going to copy this right now. Since we know this works. Alright. I don't want to go searching for... I don't want to go searching for another button 4s right there. That's fine. And now we're going to get into the tricky stuff. Because we're going to be slowly turning on the lights. So again, I'm going to probably copy this, paste it down here. The lights, we're going to be doing step. And we're going to use this, the PCT, because we're going to do percentages. And we're going to swap it out with this brightness PCT. And we're going to do steps, I think 15? That sounds about right. Deploy that. So, alright, so turn it off. So I hit it again. The lights keep going up. Wait, what's going on? Oh! I gotta get rid of this code because it keeps turning it off. Alright, let's try it again. Okay, come on. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. As you can see, it's getting brighter and brighter and brighter in my room. And if I turn it off... Wait, which one's off? That one's off. So we're dark now. We're completely dark. We're going up. 2, 3, 4, 5. And you can see it's getting brighter with every click. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Probably shouldn't go that high. Wait, what am I thinking of? So now it's all off. Again, we're gonna just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think that probably would have been it by now. Yeah, I can't get any higher. But see, the problem is that you have to keep pressing it in order to, because if you press and hold it, it doesn't want to do it. It just accepts it as one movement and won't do it again until you hit on again, until it hits the off state and then goes back on again. So we need to change that. Let's turn to half bright. Well, actually, full brightness, really quick. As we work. So what I want to do is throw in a. Which one is it? Trigger state? No. Wait until. Nope. Current state. Here we go. So eventually, what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a loop now, where the current state is gonna go all the way back to switch. But the thing is we want to have a delay in between, because otherwise it's going to just kind of be ridiculous and just keep throwing out that that same number. Or keep throwing out that loop for a long time. So like, it's gonna do it every like point. I forget what the maximum thing is for the for in between these, but like it'll just go one after another after another after another, and because computers are super fast compared to humans, it's just gonna overdo everything. So it's gonna go all the way to 100%. Really fast. What we want to do is throw a delay in there, because these things work at like microseconds. So we want to put a delay in between these. Also, if you don't put a delay in here, it'll freak out your network, because it's not designed to go that fast, especially Wi-Fi. It's not designed to go that fast. So we're gonna put it down to 0.5 seconds, 0.4 seconds. You know, that's fine. And then we can do. Okay, so we're gonna put a delay in between here. So the thing is, the button's pressed. There's a switch. The thing says, "Hey, are you on?" That's if you're on. Then turn on all lights. Then there's a 0.4 second delay. And then the current state. Oh, I forgot to change the current state. What is this? Switch. 1 button 4. Nope. See, this is what happens when you don't have the thing ready. Ah. Okay, so we gotta go back here. Nope. Close that one out. Button 4. This is the entity ID, which is what it uses, which what the computer uses. There we go. Alright, so in the event, in the state node, we're going to let it grab the state from switch 1 button 4. And that's fine. Current state of button 4. Okay, so it goes button 4, switch, turn on all lights, a delay, and then it checks the current state of button 4, and then loops back to the switch, so switch is on, then it gets, the cycle repeats and continues and continues and continues in a loop. And even if, so what the thing is, I haven't figured out how to stop this loop yet, but I don't think it affects it. It could. It could, in fact, actually stop everything from happening, but, But they don't put a nice, easy way to stop it after like 5 minutes or something. No, they don't really have like a stop timer thing. Or how many? Oh, shoot. Okay, so since we're doing this, okay, so I want to throw this out in between. Here, actually, I want to throw this in between the delay right here. Alright. Initial count 0. Default step 1. Upper limit of, what are we doing? 5, 6. Okay, so. Calculator. So 100 divided by 15 is after, we're going to say 8 times. Oh, no. That's still 1. The upper limit is 8. Done. Oh. What? Which one's the what state? Come on. Okay, first we're gonna deploy this to save it. I think that's there. Okay. So we're gonna try this. Actually, we're gonna default it to what, 4? So it should be like kind of what, 4 times 30 is. So we're gonna deploy that right there. So if it works, in theory, it should only increase the thing by what, 60%. So we're gonna turn everything off. What I'm going to do is press and hold this. There's an error. What's the error? Oh, if state is, and then you press on. Done. Deploy. Could it be that that was the issue? Deploy. Okay, turn everything off real quick. And then we'll... What? What's going on here? This should be working. Okay, so maybe this is... let's try this first, because we didn't do that first. And I'm getting way ahead of myself. Why is this not... This isn't registered. Oh, entity... Yes, that's done. Deploy. Did it not register that it was... Okay. What? There we go. And it's on, and it's looping, and we got all the way up to 100%. So, let me turn it off again. See, the reason for the loop is some of my lights don't like, or the counter was supposed to be because some of my lights don't. Whee! All the way up to 100% again. There we go. Off again. And then I press and hold that. And we're there. Yeah. Wow. Okay. So, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna throw that counter back here, because I know exactly what the issue was, because it didn't have the proper tag on there. So we're gonna do this, and the upper limit's gonna be 4. Done. Deploy. So now, in theory, this should only go to 60%. About half, and then stop. It's not going to go... Okay, no, it just went to 100%. Oh. Overview. Lamp. Yeah, no, okay, so we're going to turn it off. And then it should stop around here. It shouldn't keep going. All right, this is weird. That's deployed, right? Initial count, default step, upper step. loop timer, traffic. How to add counter function in node red. How do you make it? This is for a loop. Oh, pain in my butt. I don't want to create a function. How to use counter. Counter message, something you're displaying message, timestamp. Add a switch node after. And I'm lost. So I didn't want to do a whole thing where I'm kind of confused at this. You know what? I'm fine for right now. We're gonna just keep doing this. It just seems to work out pretty decent. I don't really need the counter. Reload really quick. We're working on switch 1. Actually, I'm going to grab everything, pull it up to the top. There. And we're just going to copy this, to be honest. And we're going to do the same thing. Oh, wait. Did we throw in a... Yep. Nope. That's fine. Alright. We're going to change this. Slowly turn off all lights. So instead of the plus 15, we're going to make it a minus 15. Done. Done. And we're going to change this from button 4 to button 5. Sorry. Button 5 done. Same thing here. I think if I just change this to 5, that's fine. Done. Deploy. Button 5. Current state of button 5. Alright, so now we're at full brightness in here. If I press and hold this, it slowly gets darker. And we're off. And we're slowly going to get brighter. And brighter. And there we go. And then I got half strength, full strength, off, all slowly increase. I'm gonna change this to slowly. Slowly turn on everything. All right, there we go. Deploy that. Alright, so now we're going to do something completely different. We're going to... I'm not sure if this is a good thing or a bad thing that I'm about to do. Nope. All right. All right, so we got a side view of my lamp now. And here we go. We're gonna have our little device doodad. We're gonna hit halfway. We're gonna do all the way. Then off. Then press and hold for slowly on. So if I stop it, it's gonna be midway, but if I press and hold again, it's going to keep going all the way up until we reach 100%. And then same thing with the bottom. All the press and hold, and it goes all the way down till it's off. Press and hold till it's all the way on. And press and hold till it's all the way off. Or we can stop it at any point in time and see how it's a little bit dim there. And we can just increase it by small increments just by pressing it like that. And there we go. We got everything there. Alright, so I'm going to turn it all the way on. And this goes for all the lights in my room, not just my lamp up here. Not just for the lamp up there. It goes for all of them. So with that, we're going to hit a pause right now. If you're watching me on Twitch, keep it rolling. We're going to be back in just a few minutes. And we're going to finish up the rest of setting up everything. We're going to have another switch, and we're going to do that one. We're going to compile code for that, or do Node-RED for that. So, but if you're watching on YouTube, please like, share, subscribe, and catch us for the next time where we do all that, where I post it. So, till then, Have a nice night, guys. Bye.